Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications outside Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now here you will find notification settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find get notifications outside of Discord. Click on it like this, and just click here, and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off notifications outside of Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.